Hi everyone, welcome back to Fluento, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hey, Anna, how are you today?
I'm great, David, thank you. I had a really nice morning. I went for a short walk and the sky was so blue. I felt very happy.
Oh, that sounds lovely. I had a quiet morning. I made some tea and read a little. Very relaxing.
That's so nice. Days like that put you in a good mood for learning.
Exactly. And speaking of good moods, hello everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome, welcome. Wherever you are right now, at home, on the bus, in a cafe, we are glad you chose to learn with us.
Take a breath. Relax your shoulders. You don't have to be perfect today. Just listen and enjoy.
That's right. Learning English is a journey. Every step counts. Even just listening right now, that is a step.
So, Anna, what are we learning about today?
Today's topic is one of the most important things in English, how to introduce yourself.
Oh, yes. This is something everyone needs. Every single learner.
Absolutely. And before we jump in, if you're enjoying Fluento, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps us make more videos for you.
Yes, please do. Okay, let's get started.
So, David, why do you think introductions are so important?
Well, think about it. Every new relationship starts with a simple hello and a name. Every single one.
That's true. At school on the first day, at a new job, when you travel to a new country, when you join an online class.
Yes, and in all of those situations, the first thing you do is introduce yourself.
And here's the good news. You don't need to say a lot. Just a few simple sentences can make a great first impression.
Right. A good introduction is short, clear, and friendly. That's all.
So today, we are going to build that introduction together, step by step, very slowly.
And by the end of this video, you will have your own introduction ready, in English.
Let's do it.
Okay, step 1, your name. This is where every introduction begins.
There are two very common ways to say your name. The first one is, "Hi, I'm Anna." Say it with me. Hi, I'm Anna.
Hi, I'm David. Easy, right? I'm is short for I am. We use it all the time in spoken English.
The second way is a little more formal. My name is Anna. You might use this at a job interview or in a professional meeting.
My name is David. See how it sounds a little more serious? Both are correct. You just choose depending on the situation.
Now, one more thing about names. Some people have a long name and a short name. We call the short one a nickname.
For example, my full name is David, but my friends call me Dave. So I can say, "Hi, I'm David, but you can call me Dave."
That's a great way to make people feel comfortable right away. Try saying your name now. Pause the video. Say, "Hi, I'm," and then your name.
Go on, we'll wait. Great job!
Step 2 is telling people where you are from. This is one of the most common questions in English. Where are you from?
And the simple answer is, I'm from, and then you say your country. For example, I'm from Mexico.
I'm from Japan. I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Spain. You can use any country.
You can also add your city, like this. I'm from Brazil. I live in a city called Curitiba.
Or maybe you live in a different country now. Then you can say, I'm from South Korea, but I live in Canada now.
That's a great sentence. It gives a little more information, and people often ask follow-up questions like, "Oh, do you like Canada?"
Exactly. It keeps the conversation going, and that's the goal, to connect with the other person.
Let's say it together. Repeat after me. I'm from...
Try it one more time. I'm from, and I live in. Well done! Now let's talk about step 3, what you do. This is about your job or your studies.
If you have a job, you say, I work as a, or I am a. For example, I'm a nurse, I'm a driver, I'm an engineer.
And if you are a student, you say, I'm a student, or I'm studying English, or I'm studying at university.
What if you don't have a job right now? That's completely fine. You can say, I'm looking for work, or I'm taking care of my family.
And here's a tip. Don't only talk about work. Add something personal. Tell them about something you love.
Like a hobby. For example, I'm a teacher and I love hiking. Or I'm a student and I enjoy cooking.
A hobby makes you more interesting. People remember you, and it gives them something to talk to you about.
So the sentence looks like this. I'm a job and I love hobby. Simple and memorable.
Let's practice. Say, I'm your job or student, and I love your hobby. Pause and try it.
Okay, step 4. This is the part many learners forget, but it's very important.
After you introduce yourself, always ask the other person a question. Don't just talk about yourself.
Think of a conversation like a ball game. You throw the ball, they catch it, and they throw it back. A conversation is the same.
So, after your introduction, you ask, and you? Or, what about you? Or, what's your name?
For example, hi, I'm David. I'm from the UK. I'm a language teacher. And you? Where are you from?
That simple question makes the other person feel included. It shows you are interested in them.
And that's what makes a great introduction. Not just talking, but listening too.
Now let's talk about something important, the difference between formal and informal English.
Don't worry, this is very simple at our level. Informal means relaxed, like talking to a friend.
Formal means more professional, like talking to a boss or a teacher you just met.
Informal. Hey, I'm Dave. I'm from London. What's your name?
Formal. Good morning. My name is David Collins. I'm joining the team today. It's a pleasure to meet you.
You see the difference? Same information, name, where you're from, but the energy is different.
For most everyday situations, informal is fine, relaxed and friendly.
At a job interview or a formal event, use a little more formal English. But don't overthink it. Be yourself.
Okay, now let's look at some real-life situations. Let's see how introductions work in different places. As student. Hi there. I don't think we've met. I'm Anna.
As student, oh hey, I'm David. Are you new here?
Yes, I just started this week. I'm studying English and business. You?
Same class. I'm studying English too. This is going to be great.
Back to normal. See how easy that was? Short sentences, friendly tone. Just be yourself.
As new employee, good morning. My name is David. I'm the new assistant in the marketing team.
As colleague. Oh, welcome. I'm Anna. I work in the same department. Great to meet you.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy to be here. I'm looking forward to working with everyone.
Back to normal. Notice David used a little more formal English. Good morning. My name is. Perfect for a workplace. As neighbor. Hi, I just moved in next door. I'm Anna.
As neighbor, oh, welcome to the building. I'm David. It's nice to meet you.
Thank you. I'm from Portugal. I moved here for work. Do you like the neighborhood?
I love it. Very quiet and friendly. I think you'll be happy here.
Back to normal. A very natural and warm introduction. You can use this tomorrow, maybe with your real neighbor.
As chat group. Hello everyone, I'm David. I'm from Scotland. I'm joining this English group to practice my speaking. I love music and cooking. Happy to meet you all.
That's a perfect online introduction. Short, clear, personal, and he asked to connect with others. Brilliant. Now let's talk about something that many learners feel. Nervousness.
Yes, it's very normal to feel nervous when you speak English, especially with new people.
But here's something I want you to remember. The other person is not judging your English. They just want to connect with you.
That's so true. Most people are kind. If you make a small mistake, they will still understand you. It's okay.
And if you don't understand something, just say, sorry, can you say that again? Or, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
People will always repeat for you. Always. Don't be afraid to ask.
And here's a trick. Prepare your introduction before you go somewhere new. Practice it at home, in the mirror, in the shower.
When you know your words, you feel more confident. You don't have to think so hard in the moment.
Exactly. Preparation equals confidence.
Now let's look at some very common mistakes that A1 and A2 learners make. Don't worry, they're easy to fix.
Mistake number 1, saying I am instead of I'm from, like this. I am Japan. That's not correct.
The correct sentence is, I'm from Japan. Don't forget the word from.
Mistake number 2, forgetting to ask back. You say your name and then silence. That can feel awkward.
Always add a question at the end. And you? What's your name? It makes the conversation feel natural.
Mistake number 3, speaking too fast because you're nervous. Slow down. Breathe. People will wait for you.
It's better to speak slowly and clearly than to rush and be hard to understand.
And mistake number 4, saying too much all at once. Keep it simple at first. You can always say more later.
Short and clear is always better than long and confusing.
Okay, everyone. Now we're going to do something fun. David and I are going to pretend we have never met before. We'll introduce ourselves naturally. Watch and listen carefully.
Ready, Anna? Here we go.
Excuse me, is this seat taken? I'm looking for a spot to sit.
No, please, go ahead. I'm David, by the way.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Anna. Are you waiting for someone?
No, just enjoying my coffee. I come here on Saturday mornings. Are you from this area?
Not originally, no. I'm from Portugal, but I moved to this city about a year ago. I really love it here.
Oh, Portugal. Beautiful country. What do you do here, if you don't mind me asking?
Of course. I'm a graphic designer. I work from home mostly. And you? What do you do?
I'm a language teacher. I teach English online. It's a job I really love.
Oh, that's wonderful. I'm actually learning English myself. Well, trying to improve it anyway.
Your English sounds really great to me. What do you like to do outside of work?
I love painting and long walks in the park. You?
I love cooking. I try a new recipe every weekend. This weekend, Italian pasta.
Oh, that sounds delicious. Well, it was really lovely to meet you, David.
You too, Anna. Enjoy your Saturday.
And scene. Did you notice? We used everything we learned. Name, country, job, hobby, and questions.
And it felt very natural because we followed the simple steps.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. Here is the Fluento introduction formula. It's very easy to remember.
Step 1. Your name. Hi, I'm David. Or my name is David.
Step 2, where you are from. I'm from Brazil. Or I'm from Brazil, but I live in the UK now.
Step 3. What you do. I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm looking for work.
Step 4, something personal. And I love cooking. I enjoy hiking. I'm a big fan of films.
Step 5. Ask back. And you? Where are you from? What do you do?
5 simple steps. Name, from, do, like, ask. That's your formula.
Write it down if you want. Name, from, do, like, ask. Practice it every day.
And that's our lesson for today. You did amazing.
Seriously, if you stayed with us to the end, you are a dedicated learner. Be proud of yourself.
Now, here is your challenge. Write your introduction in the comments below. Use the 5 steps.
Tell us your name, where you're from, what you do, what you love, and ask us a question back.
We read every single comment. We love seeing your introductions. It makes us so happy.
And practice your introduction today. Say it out loud, to yourself, to your pet, to the mirror. Just say it.
Every time you practice, you get a little better and a little more confident. That's how it works.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fluento, and share this lesson with a friend who is learning English.
We'll be back very soon with more real-life English lessons. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember,
You can do this.
bye everyone!
Bye-bye. See you next time.